Welcome to iTechVista. Today we're diving deep into GrapheneOS. GrapheneOS is a security and privacy-focused mobile operating system built on Android, but much more secure and privacy-oriented. iTechVista specializes in GrapheneOS installations and support. GrapheneOS is for privacy-conscious individuals and those wanting to de-Google. GrapheneOS offers significantly enhanced security features, hardened against exploits and vulnerabilities for maximum protection. Privacy is a core principle of GrapheneOS design, strong privacy protections baked into the OS itself. GrapheneOS comes with no unnecessary apps or bloatware, a clean OS, putting you in full control of your device. Google Play services are sandboxed, limiting their access and potential harm. This significantly enhances security compared to standard Android. Installing and using GrapheneOS can have a learning curve for some. The process might be complex for less technical users. iTechVista offers installation and support services for GrapheneOS. We can guide you through the setup and provide ongoing assistance. We're giving away AirPods Max. Ends May 31st, 2025. Enter via the Facebook link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and visit our website. Help us create more content on privacy and security.